Hey everybody, so I am going to go through a natural look for you today, and we're going to use the Illuminating Primer from Alexander Cosmetics. We are also going to use the foundation named Tone as my base or my foundation, and then what I'll do just for some contour because I'm running low on my bronzer, we're going to go ahead and use this shade of foundation, which is also from Alexander Cosmetics, called Andrea. And then for the concealer, here and here, we're going to use Costa. And then we have some highlighter from Alexander Cosmetics as well. This one is Asteria. And then we will be using the Alexander Cosmetics brushes today. So the whole purpose of this is to show you how to do your face and how simple it is. And it doesn't take long. It's not painful. And also to show you the benefits. So everything that you're putting on your skin is hydrating. The primer has vitamin C in it, as well as E. It has hydrators in there. So the primer is all non-toxic, cruelty-free, uses mother of pearl for the illuminating effect, and it's all about reboosting and retexturizing your skin, making sure that your skincare is able to do what it needs to do. But also if you're traveling, I know during this time through quarantine, our traveling has died down quite significantly, if not completely. So we are going to use a foundation. Again, we're going to use the foundation shade in Tone, and we're going to use the foundation brush from Alexander Cosmetics right there, so you can see. And as you can see, it kind of looks like a crystal. It's really nice. It comes in its own carrying bag that mimics the holographic look of the brushes. And we are just, personally, I like to start in the center of the face and build out. And I'm going much slower than I normally would. Once you figure out the application that best suits your needs and your speed, you can go through this really, really quick. I want to show you how simple this is, and you can see the brush contours right underneath the eyes very simply, and I'm letting the brush do all the work. I'm not applying too much pressure. Starting from the center, fanning it out, kind of wiggling it around the hairline to help blend it. We only used one pump. It's very important to understand that, during this time, you don't have to use a lot. The more you use, the more waste you'll have. This is going to be medium to full coverage, so this is great for people who have scarring, have freckles, have hyperpigmentation of any sort. It has hydrators to it, vitamins E, and that's just to condition the skin. Again, this is like, if you cannot reach your skincare, this has bits of skincare to it. Now, you can see how little I used, right? Very little. This is the primer. This is the foundation. And there's still quite a bit left there. Now we're going to go in with the concealer. Actually, no, we're going to contour first, and then we'll go in with the concealer. And that's just because I think it's going to be easier to do. We're going to go in with Andreas. We're not going to do a full pump on this because, again, this is just to accent areas. Now you can go much deeper than this if you want. I'm just bringing it from the jawline or the beard line and moving it up. I'm doing a flicking motion because this is where my jawbone is, or my cheekbone is, excuse me, and I'm just following that as my cutoff. Same on this, having the majority of the pigment down here lower up, and then we're just gonna flick up. Because I have a larger forehead, I'm gonna get down in here. And I'm kind of using my eyebrows to focus on where I'm going to place that. You can see there's a little gap right here. That's good. That's exactly what we want. That's fine. Again, start in the farthest, and we're going to bring it in because we want this to be a little bit brighter for us. Okay. I'm just doing the sides of my nose. All right, so that's where we're starting with. And you can kind of see my shape, the shape of my face kind of coming out a little bit more, which is perfect. Exactly what we're looking for. You're going to go in with your concealer. I'm going to do 3 dots. And you can do this straight with the applicator at home. It's fine, it works. That's what it's there for. And we're going to use this brush. Okay, again from Alexander Cosmetics. This is part of the face brush packet. And we're very lightly, you can even hold at the end of the brush. And you can see very lightly, and you can even do little circles if you want. You're doing very light feather strokes. And just look at the difference. Look how that's lifted me up a little bit. Right? Now we're going to do the other side. Same rules apply. Very gentle. This is around your eye. You want to be very gentle, very conscious. Okay? All right. Now, at this point in time, actually, I might put a little bit, let me put a little bit more. No, we're fine. We're fine. All right. So now we're going to use a little bit of highlighter. You can stop here. You can definitely stop here. You're good to go. You're fine. That's fine. I personally want more. So we're going to do, I have like a little shelf here because I frown a lot. So you see that shadow there? This is going to help with that. And then we're going to do a little right here. And then I like to do almost like a sunburst here. So 3 dots there, right? And then one here, one here. One here, one here. That's just me. And with my face shape, I like to try and keep the highlight parallel as much as possible because I feel it will give it a better shape in the long run. Now with that, once this is done, you're going to go back in with your concealer brush, okay? You're just going to flick it just until it's blended. You can use your fingers if you like. I'll do it on the other side so you can see the difference. with your finger. This, you just go in a little bit harder and you just rub it out. Right? Just like that. Sorry, allergies are so bad this time of year. Like, I am tearing up. Now, what I like doing from this point, I'm going to get a little bit of Slade, which is our bronzer. And it's the deepest bronzer. Now, I have cut, I have chiseled. I think this one, I have to find where I've put all of those. But we're going to go with the biggest face brush for this. Okay, once you've swirled around your pigment, you're going to tap it off, get the excess off. And just in your deepest shades, you're just going to blend everything. Okay, if you do too much, that's fine. Go back in with your concealer, go back in with your foundation. Actually, we're going to go in with my foundation. We're just going to open that up a little bit. See? Not a problem. Because I feel like I have a bigger nose. It just shortens it a little bit. Cool. So this is what it looks like. A naturalesque or natural look in 10 minutes. Gotta love it. Enjoy, guys. Try it out. If you have any questions on regards of your shades, you can always find us on Instagram or comment down below. You can find our website at alexandercosmetics.org, and that's Alexander, Alexander, cosmetics.org. The link will be below, and we will see you soon. If you have any questions, again, do not hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help in any way possible. Again, I hope you enjoy this natural look, and have a good day.